So if you're planning, assume that you have a cafe in Mysore. How do you promote a cafe in Mysore? Now you need to understand what exactly cafe owner will be expecting. He'll be expecting more awareness. So once you have more awareness about your cafe in Mysore, people will search for that. Like assume that there is a cafe called Sapa Bakery. There is a cafe called as Live Cafe. There is some XYZ cafe. And you have to create a lot of awareness through Instagram and through Facebook, and reach out to more number of people. And because of that awareness, people will start talking about it, and because of that, more people will come to a cafe. Second way of reaching people is influencer marketing. You need to think of influencer marketing and try to bring people. And third is, as the world is getting digitized, irrespective of you like it or not, being active on Zomato and Swiggy creates sort of brand recall and reputation, because it is also a third party platform which is very important for your cafe business. So you need to know, when you have a cafe or a hotel business, irrespective of wherever it is, I'm considering Mysore as an example, you need to know how and what is the core objective of your business. And 90% of main goal should be spreading lot of awareness about your cafe in that particular city. And you can use either Meta ads or Facebook ads, or you can think of influencer marketing. First goal should be reach more number of people before you generate a revenue. So this is very important goal when you are promoting any kind of a cafe in market.